In this video, we will show you how to replace your blower motor assembly on this Honda Accord. This will be located underneath the passenger side dash. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Make your way underneath the passenger side dash. Just below the glove box, you'll find that you have a plastic trim panel that makes its way all the way across. Carefully take hold of that and gently pull it down along the rearward side and slide it out along the front. With that out of the way, we have a clear view of the blower motor. Before we start removing the 3 mounting screws that hold the blower motor in, we'll continue on to the wiring harness. This wiring harness will have one little tab that you can squeeze in to unlock it and then gently draw it down. There's that locking tab I spoke about. A quick check for corrosion, and we can set that wiring harness aside. Now we'll use a T20 Torx bit to remove all 3 of our mounting screws. This one back here. This last one's up inside this corner here. It's a little hard to see. Now we can remove the blower motor. There it is, friends. Let's get that blower motor installed. We'll take this and get it in the proper position. Once you feel as though everything's aligned properly, go ahead and start in those mounting bolts. Now that they're started, I'll snug them up. Confirm your blower motor is secure. Reattach your wiring harness. Listen for a click from that. Give it a tug, set the wiring aside. Now we can install our lower trim panel here. Looking along that trim panel, you can see that you have 2 alignment tabs that protrude out that would face towards the front of the vehicle. Along the rearward side, you'll find that you have 3 little tabs. Let's get the forward side in place and then we'll swing the rearward side up and lock it in. Okay friend, we showed you how to install the blower motor on your vehicle. At this point, put the key in the on position and test the blower motor functionality. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.